Hi, my name is Rachel Ewens. I'm a mobile strategist and I run the app blog ladyapp.com. And today we're going to talk about how to use an iTunes gift card. So Apple has several different stores you can redeem from. They have their iTunes store, they have their app store, so you can get apps or music. I'm going to focus on apps and music today. So in order to redeem it for apps, we're going to go to our App Store icon. And it'll open us to the home page where we see all the featured apps of the day and all their different selections. We're going to scroll to the very bottom of that, and you'll actually see a section that says Redeem. You can click on Redeem, and it will prompt you usually to enter your iTunes code. So if we can just give it a second to cook. So this is asking us to enter a gift card or a download code. So this is also where you would go if somebody gives you a promo code for an app to redeem it. So let's look at music now. To redeem gift cards for music, you're going to want to go to the iTunes, not the orange app, the music app that you play music with, but the iTunes app. And very similar to how we did on the App Store, it'll take you to the main page, and you want to scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see a section like the App Store that says Redeem. And again, we're going to want to enter our gift card or download code right there, and it'll allow us to redeem our gift card. Now you're ready to buy yourself something pretty on the App Store or the iTunes Store. Again, my name is Rachel Ewens, and this has been How to Redeem an iTunes Gift Card.